I have seen a lot of my friends very, very concerned.
Barry Block is the rabbi at Congregation B'nai Israel in Little Rock. With the Supreme Court now overwhelmingly conservative, he's offering support to people in the LGBTQ community worried what may happen to gay marriage.
If people are very afraid that their rights might be taken away very quickly, I would do what I could to make their marriages happen expeditiously.
He points out the case Obergefell versus Hodges is not likely to be overturned, but he understands where the concern is coming from.
I want to be here for them as their rabbi and advocating for their rights.
There are no cases on the horizon that are even raising that issue.
John DePippa, the Dean Emeritus and Professor of Constitutional Law at the William H. Bowen School of Law, says no states are challenging same-sex marriage laws, which is what would need to be done to challenge Obergefell.
I think even the most conservative legislatures will look at this and say, this fight is not worth it.
But he says the court could potentially side with future cases that have to do with religious objections, like employers and corporations turning away or not hiring people based on their sexual orientation.
So we might find so many religious objections that, for all practical purposes, LGBTQ people are essentially being treated as second-class citizens when it comes to non-discrimination.
DePippa says he sees this as the biggest concern right now.
Because that would really undermine, I think, the promise of equal employment.
In Little Rock, Melissa Zigowitz, THV 11 News.